Good morning student, welcome back to Gokuldas Public School structured based online classes. Dear student, we have completed our half yearly exam. Today we will start again new chapter number 7, rocks and minerals. Okay? हमने हाफ ईयरली तक के जितने चैप्टर्स थे हमने कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं. अब हम हमारा नया सिलेबस स्टार्ट करेंगे. नया सिलेबस चैप्टर्स नंबर 7, रॉक्स एंड मिनरल्स. डियर स्टूडेंट, ओपन योर बुक, पेज नंबर 59. बुक पेज नंबर Chapter 7, Rocks and Minerals. What are the aims of this chapter? In this chapter, we will read and learn about what are rocks made up of. है ना, rocks किससे बनते हैं? Kinds of rocks, minerals and conservation of natural resources. So, in this chapter, we will read about first, what are rocks made up of? What are rocks made up of? Then second, kinds of rocks. Okay? Kinds of rocks. Then third one, about minerals. What are minerals? And fourth point, conservation of natural resources. Conservation of natural resources. Okay. So you have to first understand what are the aims of this chapter. In this chapter we will read what are rocks made up of, kinds of rocks, minerals and conservation of natural resources. Okay. First we will read from the book. What are rocks made up of? The earth is made up of rocks. Rocks are made up of minerals. So our earth is made up of rocks. हमारी जो earth है वो कैसे बनी है? Rocks. Rocks are made up of minerals. A mineral is a natural non-living substance. A rock may contain one or more minerals. So, first point you have to remember that the earth is made up of rocks. Okay? The earth is made up of rocks and rocks are made up of minerals. And what is mineral? A mineral is a natural non-living substance. And rocks may contain one or more minerals. Rocks are of three kinds. Okay? Three types. Igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. Okay? There are three types of rocks. First one is igneous rocks, second sedimentary rock and third one is metamorphic rock. Okay? You no need to write anything. आपको कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है, आपको ध्यान से सुनना है और समझना है. ठीक है? So, first point you have to remember that the earth is made up of rocks. Then rocks are made up of minerals. Rocks are made up of मिनरल्स. ओके, हमारी जो अर्थ है वो रॉक से बनी है. और रॉक कैसे बना है? रॉक्स किस चीज से बना है? मिनरल्स से बना है. अब मिनरल्स क्या होते हैं? अ मिनरल्स इज अ natural non-living substance. What is mineral? A mineral is a natural non-living substance. Okay. A mineral is a natural non-living substance. A rock may contain one or more minerals. Okay. Either rock contain one mineral or more than one minerals. Okay. A mineral is a natural non-living substance and rock may contain one minerals or more mineral. Okay. Then there are three types of rocks. Rocks are of three types. रॉक्स कितने प्रकार के होते हैं? तीन, है ना? रॉक्स आर ऑफ थ्री टाइप्स. फर्स्ट वन इज igneous rock. Second, sedimentary rock. And third one is metamorphic rock. You have to remember the names of the three types of rock. First one is igneous, then second sedimentary rock, third one is metamorphic rock. Now pay attention in your book. Did you know minerals are found in ores which have to be dug out of the ground? Now today we will talk about igneous rock. Okay. Igneous rocks form the base of all the forms of land, plains, mountains and ocean beds. They are formed by cooling and hardening of hot liquid rock material. The hot liquid rocks that lies in huge underground pockets of the earth is called magma. Underline this line. The hot liquid rock that lies in huge underground pockets of the earth is called magma. What is magma? The hot liquid rock material that lies in huge underground pockets of the earth is called magma. The hot material is pushed upward by the pressure inside the earth. Okay, the hot material is pushed by some pressure that is inside the earth. The magma that reaches the surface of the earth is called lava. You have to remember these 2 points. What is magma and what is lava? Okay. What is magma? What is magma? The definition: the hot liquid rock that lies in huge underground pockets of the earth is called magma. Okay. What is magma? Learn this definition. What is magma? The hot liquid rocks that lies in the underground pocket of the earth is called magma. And what is lava? The magma that reaches the hot material is pushed by pressure inside the earth, and the magma that reaches the earth's surface of the earth is called lava. The magma that reaches the surface of the earth is called lava. Okay. Some of it cools and hardens below the surface of the earth, while some of flow out on the earth's surface and then hardens to form igneous rock. है ना? कुछ लावा क्या होता है वहीं के वहीं कूल हो जाता है बिलो द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ, और कुछ क्या होता है बाहर आके एक हार्ड फॉर्म कर लेता है, हार्ड फॉर्म सरफेस के ऊपर आके, while some flows out on the earth surface and then harden, कड़क हो जाता है, हार्ड हो जाता है, then harden to form igneous rock, और उसी से क्या बनते हैं igneous rock. When the lava cools it forms igneous rocks, है ना? When the lava cools down it forms igneous rock. Underline this line: when lava cools it forms igneous rock. Okay. Remember one more point. When, underline this line, when lava cools it forms igneous rocks. Okay, जब लावा ठंडा होता है तो उससे क्या बनता है igneous rocks. Okay. The type of igneous rocks formed depend on the kinds of minerals the magma contain and the size of minerals particle. है ना? जो igneous rock form होते हैं वो काय पे डिपेंड होता है कि किस तरीके का रॉक है? On the kind of minerals the magma contain. Okay, and the size of mineral particles. So kinds of igneous rock. First one is basalt. Basalt is an igneous rock formed when lava cools just above the surface of the earth, forming a dense dark rock. Now, basalt is a type of igneous rock formed when the lava cools and it just cool above the surface of the earth and forming a dense dark rock. Okay, so kinds of igneous rocks. First one is basalt. Basalt is a igneous rock kinds of igneous rock. First one is basalt. Basalt is a igneous rock formed when lava cools just above the surface of the earth, forming a dense dark rock. Then second one, granite. Okay. Granite is most common igneous rocks. Which is the most common igneous rock? Granite. Underline this line. Granite is the most common igneous rock. The three main minerals in granite are quartz, feldspar and mica. There are three main minerals in granite. What are they? Feldspar, quartz and mica. The color of granite is usually grey or pink. This hard stone is used for making buildings, statues and streets. Granite is used for making buildings, statues and streets. This is formed when magma cools slowly under the ground. Granite is formed when magma cools slowly under the ground. So second one is granite. Granite is the most common igneous rock. It contains three main minerals that are quartz, feldspar and mica. And the color of the granite is usually pink or grey, and it is used for making statues, buildings, streets, and this is formed when magma cools under the ground only. Okay. Then third one is pumice. Pumice is cooled lava fort and it is another light colored igneous rock. It has many holes and pockets which are formed by the gases trapped inside at the time of its formation. This light lava rock is light grey or cream in color. Pumice rock is light grey in color. Pumice is used as a scrubber to remove rough skin from the body. So pumice is used as a scrubber to remove dead skin or rough skin from the body. Then fourth one is obsidian. Obsidian. Okay. Obsidian is another lava rock. It looks almost like black glass. All the pictures are given in your book. Okay. Basalt, granite, pumice and obsidian, and it almost look like a black glass and it is used to making for cutting tools. Okay. So first one is basalt. Basalt is a igneous rock and it is formed when lava cools just above the surface of the earth, forming a dark, dense rock. Okay, dark rock. Then granite. Granite is most common igneous rock and it contains three main minerals. What are they? Feldspar, mica and quartz. Okay. It is usually used for making buildings, streets, statues. It is usually pink and green color. This is formed when lava cools just under the ground slowly. Okay, when the magma cools slowly under the ground. Then third, pumice. Pumice is used as a scrubber to remove rough skin from the body, and it is grey in color. Okay. Then obsidian, last one, obsidian is black in color, like black glass, and it is used to make for cutting tools. Okay. Dear student, today we have completed about what are rocks. Once again, in short, we will revise it. What are rocks? Rocks are made up of minerals. Okay. First point is the earth is made up of rocks. Then what are rocks? Rocks are made up of minerals. Then minerals is a natural non-living substance. Okay. Then rock may contain one or more minerals. Either rock will contain one mineral or more than one mineral. So rock may contain one or more minerals. A rock may contain one mineral or more minerals. Then there are three types of rocks. Three types of rock. What are they? Igneous rocks, then sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. आपको वीडियो में से कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है, आपको समझना है, ठीक है। कॉपी में आपको वीडियो में से कुछ नहीं लिखना है। क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के लिए हम पीडीएफ सेंड करेंगे, उसी में से आपको लिखना है। ओके। देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ रॉक: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. So igneous rocks, how igneous rocks form? When lava cools, it forms igneous rocks. And we have learned two terms: what is magma and what is lava. You have underlined this line: the hot liquid rocks that lies under the underground pockets of the earth is called magma. Okay, the hot liquid rocks that lies in huge underground pockets of the earth is called magma. And what is lava? When the magma reaches the surface of the earth is called lava. Okay. Then we have today read about igneous rock, types of rocks, In that we have read basalt, granite, pumice and obsidian. Dear student, today you have to read this chapter till kinds of igneous rocks, means till obsidian you have to read this chapter. आपको ये चैप्टर igneous rocks तक पूरा पढ़ना है, ठीक है। आज जितना हमने पूरा पढ़ा है आपको एक बार अच्छे से रीडिंग करना है। अंडरस्टूड? ओके। Kinds of igneous rocks. Basalt, granite, and obsidian. So today you have to read this chapter till obsidian, okay? And if you have any doubt, please ask me on my personal number, okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.